Alright, so here's the hike it. Gonna crawl under here. I went ahead and unplugged this thingamajigger. It's the accelerator, throttle response, and all that good stuff. I'll go ahead and connect these two. Went ahead and put a piece of electrical tape around it. Crawl under here. We connect this guy to this. And then we connect this guy to the back of the actual pedal right there. And then we zip tie it up. We shove all the wires in. Make it look pretty. Put some 3M behind it. Ran the wire up all the way through. Now it's time to start the car. Let's see, you got hike it, off, auto, off-road, cruise control, sport mode. You can increase the voltage based on your preference, valet mode, launch mode, and anti-slip mode. We're gonna go ahead and put it on auto.